Laundry rooms aren't just utility spaces anymore, they've become an important part of your home's style and function. The right cabinetry can turn your laundry room into a space that's organized, efficient, and even enjoyable to use. Let's walk through the 5 most important factors to consider when choosing cabinets for your laundry room. Factor 1: Material selection. Laundry rooms deal with heat, humidity, and heavy use. That's why durable materials matter. We carry premium brands known for their durability and craftsmanship and recommend kiln-dried woods and protective finishes that resist warping and keep your cabinets looking brand new. Factor 2: Custom versus semi-custom options. If you want flexibility at a lower price point, semi-custom cabinets offer great value with a wide range of sizes and finishes. For unique layouts or a fully tailored design, custom cabinets give you the perfect fit and maximum personalization. Factor 3: Storage features. Smart storage makes a big difference. Think deep drawers for detergents, pull-out hampers, child-safe upper cabinets, or even a drop-down ironing board. Both semi-custom and custom cabinetry can be designed with features that fit your lifestyle. Factor 4: Aesthetics and style. Your laundry room should reflect your taste and blend with the rest of your home. Whether you love sleek, modern lines or a warm farmhouse look, we'll help you choose cabinetry that elevates your space. Factor 5: Budget and timeline. We always respect your budget and schedule. Semi-custom cabinets provide a lower price point, excellent quality and quick turnaround, while custom options give you unparalleled craftsmanship and personalization. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, our award-winning team helps homeowners create laundry rooms that work beautifully and look stunning. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, our desire is to create beautiful, livable spaces that fit your unique life and style. We invite you to schedule a free design consultation or visit our showrooms in Lakewood or Louisville, where you can explore a world of design possibilities. We proudly serve the entire Denver metro area and beyond.